everyone, my name is Shuchi and welcome to this brand new channel called KoolSchool, a next level e-learning platform. We have planned a lot of things for you guys. Firstly, for the ones who love learning new foreign languages like German, French and Spanish, we have well-trained professionals for you guys who can teach you and give away lessons to make your life easier with very simple tricks to learn a new language on your own. Secondly, all the working professionals who find it very difficult and who find it very alien when they come to office and they have to work on MS Excel, PowerPoint, Access and SharePoint, we are here to make your life easier because we have got professionals who can give away lessons on them and make your workplace an easy one and a fun one. Thirdly, for the ones who are more inclined towards business analytics and also data visualization, for you guys, we will have lessons on Power BI and also Tableau. And if you talk about entertainment, all the ones who love watching and sleeping and eating and drinking cricket, basketball and also football, we are going to have a lot of discussions on those sports because we have got people who just love sports to the core. So if you like this video, please press the like button there, and also if you want to share this with your loved ones and dear ones so that they know more about all the insights of these particular topics which I've discussed right now, please share the video with them. And also don't forget to press that bell icon over there for all the new updates and notifications. Thank you for watching.